Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the two different ways how you can increase or decrease the zoom size for your zoom controller on the iPhone 13 series. So the first way to increase or decrease the zoom size is to first open up your zoom window, and then you can tap on the button here to open up the menu. And down here is a slider bar from the menu. You can drag on the slider bar to increase or decrease the size. So if you want to increase, you drag it all the way to the right, or drag it all the way to the left to decrease the size. Okay, so another way to do it is to double tap on this button and slide. So double tap on the button to slide, and here you can see I can increase or decrease the zoom size for my zoom controller. Now this feature might not be available by default, or if you have switched it off. So what you can do is go into settings. In settings, tap on accessibility, then tap on zoom, go down and tap on zoom controller, then make sure that adjust zoom level switch is turned on. If it's turned off, then it will not work. You can see if I double tap on it, it does not allow me to change the zoom size. Instead, it allows me to move the zoom window up or down. So make sure that you turn it on so that you can readjust your zoom size for your zoom controller. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.